Hello everyone, I'm Nordano. Welcome to Vegan Life, and I'm here to show you how to live a vegan life. Today we're making vegan brownies, ultra fudgy, delicious, tasty, guilt-free, dairy-free, and very light. So we'll have some sweet potato chopped and cooked, half a cup of dates, some water, 3 tablespoons of almond butter. I like almond butter more than peanut butter, it's healthier. Some cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, some balsamic vinegar, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and some vanilla extract. First thing we'll be doing is that we'll add your sweet potatoes and the dates and some water to the food processor and make sure it's an S blade. So here we go. Add in the dates and water. Start mixing. So you have to make sure that your dates and the sweet potatoes have broken down into a paste. And now start adding the other ingredients: vanilla extract, the almond butter, cocoa powder, balsamic vinegar, flax seeds, that's very high in fiber and omega-3, and baking soda, and the pinch of salt. And process again. Spray your muffin tin with some vegetable oil. I like avocado oil. It's okay to treat yourself once in a great while with some vegan brownies. Especially those brownies because they're very healthy. Bake your brownies for 15 minutes in a preheated oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So bake your brownies until the tops look dry. Remove from the oven and let the brownies cool completely at least 30 minutes before attempting to remove them from the pan. Serve immediately or store them in the fridge in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. They can also be frozen in an airtight container for up to 2 months. Thanks for watching us today. I hope you'll enjoy those tasty vegan brownies. Stay tuned for the next video.